Hi, this is Steve Gilmore from Leatherman Tool Group. This is the Leatherman MUT military utility tool. This tool was designed to disassemble an AR-15 in the field. This has 16 different tools. The first is the pin punch. That's to disassemble your rifle. You have a carbon brine scraper to clean your firing pin. You have a hammer, bolt override in case you have a jam. You have a seatbelt cutter, carabiner, bottle opener. The blades are accessible from the outside and they have locking features. You have a straight blade serrated combo blade. You have a saw. When I open up this tool, needle nose pliers, regular pliers, replaceable hardwire cutters, replaceable wire cutters, and a crimper in the back. This tool also comes with the Phillips head and the screwdriver bit, and also your Torx blades. The nice feature about this, you have a bit extender. That's an accessory. I can take out that bit, insert the bit extender, put the bit back in, and now I have an extended bit drive. This is the Leatherman MUT military utility tool.